Today I'm opening up Black Bolt and White Flare Mini Tin. Here are the stickers. Here's the packs that come inside. I'm now opening up the White Flare pack. Inside we have got a Shelmet, a Pansear, a Oshawott, a Patrat, a Stoutland, a Archon, a Swoobat, a Pokeball Reverse Ignition Energy, and oh my god, a illustration rare Vullaby, an Embo, and a holographic energy. On to the next pack, the Black Bolt pack. Opening it now. Inside we have a Solosis, an Audino, a Venipede, a Mulga, Scolipede, Simipour, Ensplan, Reverse Rufflet, and a Thundurus with a Dark Energy.